Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the physical path. Trace the Ethernet cable from your device to the router or switch and make sure it's fully seated. Once done, inspect for visible damage or sharp bends and replace with a known good cable to isolate the line. Make sure both device and switch/router show link lights. A steady or blinking LED verifies the physical layer is active. These first steps eliminate the most common hardware causes, so you can focus on configuration if the link is alive. Next, you check the device configuration to ensure it can use that physical link. First, enable the NIC in your operating system and confirm drivers are current. Then examine IP settings. If using DHCP, request a lease. If static, verify IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS match the network plan. Once configured, run ipconfig or ifconfig and immediately ping the default gateway to confirm Layer 3 connectivity. If the gateway responds, your local network path is working, and you can test beyond it. Finally, you validate end-to-end connectivity and resolve remaining faults. First, ping a public IP like 8 to determine if routing is intact, then perform a DNS lookup to separate name resolution issues. If problems persist, restart the NIC and network devices, try another switch/router port, and swap cables to rule out intermittent faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent connectivity remains, use a cable tester or capture system logs before replacing hardware, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.